They can't keep a good man down. Always keep a smile when they want me to frown. Keep the vibes and I stood my ground. They will never ever take my crown.
Hey, it's Lay, neighborhood hero for all things DIY, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how I wash my hair, and right here I'm just showing you a visual of how my hair looks before we start washing. And this is a visual of my scalp and also of my new growth. And right here I'm at my 2 weeks before my 5-month mark, and there's not much buildup or dirt in my hair. So I went ahead and rinsed my hair with some hot water to open up my hair cuticles and my hair pores, just so that when I apply the shampoo, it is absorbed in my hair very well and it removes and cleans my hair effectively. So the shampoo I use is my Manoi coconut oil nourishing shampoo, and I just applied that all over my hair to make sure that the whole hair is covered with the soap. Then I would just go ahead and take my stocking cap and place that over my hair just to prevent some unraveling, since I do have starter locks. And then because I have issues, I also put more shampoo over my stocking cap, and then I would just begin gently massaging my scalp. And I don't use my nails when washing my hair because that can harm my scalp and leave it irritated, and it could also potentially lead to scarring on my scalp, which leaves scabs or wounds in my hair, and I don't want that. So I just massage my hair with my fingertips. By massaging for a good 2 minutes will boost the blood flow to the scalp, which stimulates hair growth. And your first wash is usually intended to remove the buildup or dirt from your hair, so you should try to go in at least with a second wash. Now I went ahead and rinsed my hair with my warm to hot temperatured water, and then I will go ahead with my double poo, and you can do a triple poo or more if you have excess buildup or dirt. It's completely up to you. Just be aware that too much shampoo can dull your hair. And as you can see, my hair is clearly more soapy now, and that just lets me know that I have removed the dirt and oil that was left in my hair in my first wash. So I'm completely satisfied with just double pooing. I don't need to go in with a third wash. And now that I have shampooed my hair twice, I rinsed my hair with cold water, but not too cold, just cold enough that I could tolerate. I did this to close my hair cuticles and my hair pores. And I opt out of using conditioner in my locks because conditioner is seen as a detangler, and I don't want my hair to detangle. I want it to lock. So I don't use conditioner, but there are other alternatives to conditioning your hair when you have locks, such as hot oil treatments, steam treatments, or herbal rinses. I currently don't use any of those. I'm just waiting until a little further in my lock journey so that I can try them out. I use this dark towel to prevent the appearance of lint in my hair, but it is best to use a lint-free microfiber towel because using this black towel can still cause black lint to go in my hair, and color is known to fade, so eventually that will go from black to gray to white, and then there will be noticeable lint in my hair. So I just like to go ahead and clamp my hair to soak up the water, and then this is how my hair looks freshly washed, and it is damp. So I will go ahead and apply my DIY hair oil, and I put my hair oil in this old wild growth hair oil bottle that I'm reusing. Then I'll go ahead and massage that oil throughout my hair to boost the blood flow and stimulate hair growth. And this technique also just feels extremely good, so I just make sure I massage every inch of my head. Here is how my hair looks after I retwist. If you guys would like to see a video on how I retwist my hair, just let me know in the comment section. Hit me up on my social medias, give me a thumbs up or a share, and thank you guys so much for viewing my video, and I hope you come back for the next one.
So they can't keep a good man down. Always keep a smile when they want me to frown. Keep the vibes and I stood my ground. They will never ever take my crown.